Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to get HTML source from web page in C Sharp. For that we required few things. First, let me just make it large, this form, and after that I need a one web browser, and in toolbar you can search this. Okay, so by default this toolbar is of same size of container. So how to change its size? To just you can see here a small button type, and just click on that, and here you undock in parent container. Just click on that, and just after that you can make this, you can actually change its size as per your requirement. So for that I am making it this much large, and I need one rich text box where I can put the HTML code. I'm just making it of same size. Okay, and I need one button. Just drag and drop it here and change its name to search. I'm not changing its design name, I'm just changing its text name. Okay, now what we need to do is when I click on this search, the web browser, there is some link needs to be opened in this web browser. So for that, just double click on this search and just write the code web browser. Web browser name is web browser 1 dot navigate, and you just need to write the where you want to navigate. Okay, so I want to navigate to www.facebook.com. Okay, so let me just start it. And if you are trying this, then you just make sure that your internet connected, your PC is connected with internet connection, and just click on the search. Let me show you first that it's navigating to Facebook or not. It will actually take time because my internet connection is a little bit slower. So here you can see Facebook is open in this browser, but no HTML code is now in this text box. So how to do that? So to do that, you just need to generate a web browser document complete event. To generate that, just double click on this web browser. I just double click. You can see that web browser 1 document completed event is generated, and here you need to just write that where you want to keep this HTML page in text box. Okay, so this is rich. Let me just show you the name, design name, that is rich text box 1. So I'm just writing this text box 1 dot which type of text I'm going to assign is text, and is equal to web browser 1 dot document text, and just semicolon close. And now just start it. And when I'm just click in the search button, the web browser loads with the site facebook.com, and the HTML code will be here. Just let me show you. And just click on the search button, and here you can see. Now this document is loaded in this, and here you can see the browser is here, and you can actually copy this code just by clicking like this. Let me do the same for some other site like google.com. Okay, and just now execute it, and just click on the search, and you can see the HTML code is loaded here, and this browser is working perfectly fine. So that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And for more videos, check my playlist, and you can also check for projects in my playlist. Thanks for watching.